The problem you've described involves distributing a set of tasks to multiple processes, each having 4 cores, with the goal of minimizing the total time it takes to complete all tasks. You're given 2 arrays, process ordine, which represents the time at which each processor becomes available, and tasks, which represents the time it takes to execute each task. The objective is to efficiently assign tasks to processors in a way that minimizes the total processing time. The approach provided breaks down the problem as follows: sort process ordine array in ascending order. This step ensures that tasks are assigned to processors that become available earliest. Sort the tasks array in descending order. This sorting ensures that the longest tasks are considered first when assigning them to processors. Initialize a variable processor index to keep track of the current processor being assigned tasks and a variable answer to keep track of the minimum total processing time. Loop through each processor in the sorted process ordine array. For each processor, initialize current max to 0, which will store the maximum processing time among tasks assigned to the current processor, and task count to 0 to keep track of the number of tasks assigned to the processor up to a maximum of 4 tasks. B. While processor index is within the bounds of the sorted tasks array, and task count is less than 4, since each core can handle up to 4 tasks, do the following. Calculate the processing time for the current task assigned to the processor. This processing time is the sum of process ordine, the current processor's time of availability, and tasks processor index. 2. Update current max to be the maximum of its current value and the calculated processing time. 3. Increment processor index and task count. C. After the loop, update answer to be the maximum of its current value and current max. This ensures that the minimum total processing time is updated based on the tasks assigned to the current processor. Finally, return the value of answer, which represents the minimum total processing time. In simpler terms, the algorithm schedules tasks by considering both the processor's availability and the task's execution time. It assigns tasks to processors in a way that optimally minimizes the total time needed to complete all tasks. The idea is to start with processors that become available earliest, and assign longer tasks to them to make efficient use of the available processing power. This approach aims to balance the workload across processors and complete all tasks as quickly as possible.